Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready, and August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
For decades, companies try to improve the way we secure our doors, from making our locks smarter, more convenient, and safer. Our lock has taken years of research and development, and we combined features in all the popular smart locks and made it more advanced. From the sleek, seamless design of the solid zinc alloy build to the LED panel that houses the world's advanced security features. This is the Lockley Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by PinGenie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. The digits rotate every time a code is entered, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. An advanced 3D fingerprint sensor can store up to 99 fingerprints and only recognizes physical fingers, preventing the use of lifted or replicated prints, allowing those registered access. Access codes and fingerprints are just the beginning. Our Bluetooth-powered smart locks can be unlocked conveniently with our mobile app. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Lockley's patent-pending offline access code feature, it does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. With all this technology, you can also unlock the smart lock with a physical key. Lockley Secure works universally for most doors and is available in deadbolt and latch editions. Lockley, come home secure, essential to every household.
The Schlage & Code Smart Wi-Fi deadbolt is designed to provide peace of mind from anywhere. It works with your phone, your voice, your finger, and even a key. It connects directly to your home's Wi-Fi in seconds to provide smartphone control from anywhere, eliminating the need for additional adapters, which saves you time and money. So gain peace of mind and upgrade your home to the safety, simplicity, and style of Schlage.
What do you want for a snack?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Yeah, that's great. Excited to see you this weekend, Mom. Bye.
It's gonna be a great game today.
Pretty. I found a key. It is under the planter. You want to take that side now?
Hosting just got smarter. August is now integrated with Airbnb and HomeAway to automate check-in and check-out, so you never have to hide keys or work with property managers.
Hello?
August smart locks and smart keypad now sync with both Airbnb and HomeAway, so anyone who books your property automatically receives an email confirmation with an access code, valid for their stay. The code goes live at check-in and expires at checkout. Managing guest access has never been easier with August. Learn more at august.com/host.
It happens every morning, and when you're late, and on your way out the door. But what if you never needed a key again? And what if your lock could connect to your phone, so you knew who came and went? What if the company that's reinventing the home worked with the company that invented the lock as we know it? Introducing the Yale Linus Lock.
Obsidian. Black glass formed in the heart of a volcano. Beautiful. Strong. Stunning. Qualities that Kwikset bring to your front door with the Obsidian touchscreen lock, featuring elegant design as modern as the technology that powers it. This cutting-edge lock safeguards you and those you hold dear. With unmatched security and sophistication, protect with style, astonish with strength. Obsidian. Only from Kwikset. Made for the world you live in.